Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk through my summer staycation capsule wardrobe. So I've got 5 patterns. I'm wearing 2 of them. I've got another, yes, 5 patterns, I had to think about that. So the first one that I'm wearing, or first 2 that I'm wearing, this is the Lucy t-shirt and I'm wearing it with our Lizzie skirt. Now the Lucy t-shirt is part of the Lucy t-shirt and dress pattern, so it also comes as a maxi dress or even a knee-length dress. So it basically has an option to put in a waist channel and add a dress to it. But it's also a really lovely t-shirt, and it's a really simple, easy make as a t-shirt and not that much more of a complicated make as a dress. Then I'm wearing it with the Lizzie skirt, which is definitely a go-to skirt for me in the summer. I love the length because it covers my knees, which I don't particularly like, so I like having my knees covered. I love the pleated element to it, and I actually have so many. In fact, let me show you. So I've got Lizzie's here in an embroidered cotton, and I've also got them in these kind of cutout. This one, sorry, that's from our summer ebook, which I'll tell you about afterwards. But also in this lovely cutout fabric here. I've got some in crepe. I've got some in viscose. I really do have a lot of them. So this is a lovely Atelier Brunette fabric, and this is made out of a viscose jersey. So viscose jersey is more drapey, it's often slightly thinner. It's a really lovely soft knit fabric, and if you're scared about using knits, then it's worth mentioning that on our Stitch School, which is our online learning school, you can do a course all about how to work with knit fabrics if you're scared of doing them. But the t-shirt itself, just noticed my cat has now jumped up, this is Coco. The t-shirt itself is really lovely and easy to make. So that's what I've got on, but let's remember we're here in the UK, so it's probably going to be cold. So I thought, as a nice easy pattern to go with it, I've got my Coco Jacket. Not named after you, it was named after Coco Chanel. Although she was also named after Coco Chanel. Anyway, so here's the Coco Jacket, really super simple classic jacket. Now this is in a wool, so it's going to be a little bit on the warm side, but I do love the whole navy, mustard and white combo. But you can make it in a kind of cotton, and embroidered cotton would also work really well with the Coco Jacket. This is more of an intermediate pattern, so it's not a beginner pattern. Let's just be fair and honest about it. So this is not super complicated though. It's not an experienced pattern. It's not got loads of fitting elements to it, but it's just a little bit more advanced and a kind of confident beginner. So I'd say both of the other 2 patterns are good for confident beginners. This would be more experienced, but it's quite a simple make and really wearable with trousers, with dresses, or with skirts and t-shirts like I'm wearing. Okay, let's have a look at what other things I've put in my capsule wardrobe. So, keeping with the navy theme, bit of a French navy theme I feel, I've got our ultimate trousers. Now our ultimate trousers really are a great simple trouser pattern, and I've got these on in a stretch cotton. It's really lovely to work with, and it makes making a pair of trousers that much easier because it stretches, so you don't have to worry about the fit as much as if you chose a fabric that didn't stretch. Would again say these probably a confident beginner. The tricky thing with with the trouser pattern is getting the fit right. The actual construction is really simple. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces and a facing as well, and then the side zip. But you've got to get it fitting around your bottom and the crotch area. So we actually do have on our Stitch School a really good masterclass on how to sew and fit trousers using just this pattern. But of course you can just buy the pattern as well. So I've got it on with my Lucy t-shirt tucked in, and it works I think with this as well, doesn't it? It really works with the Coco Jacket. So really pleased with this combo. But a capsule wardrobe for the summer would not be complete without a dress. Now this dress pattern, the Doris dress pattern, is an absolutely beautiful dress pattern. Unfortunately, though, filming this, I don't know if I've got one that fits me. Well, I've got one, but it's a bit big, so I am going to put it on for you guys, but before I do that, I'm just going to show you it and show you some of the details of it, because I don't want you to judge me in it if it does look too big. So here it is. It's a button bodice, really lovely button bodice, and a flare skirt. It's a panelled skirt, which means it keeps it nice and narrow around the hip area. It's a scoop neck, not too low but also not too high, meaning it's flattering on lots of bust shapes. And then at the back, it's got a nice tie which pulls it in, pulls the waist in and allows you to have it as fitted as you want, and again helps with the fit. As for the sleeves, you've got these grown on kind of cap sleeves, which I find super flattering as well, but also not too much covering up, so it's still a really cool dress to wear in the summer. It actually fits really well. That's the beauty of this, that I can tie it in. So this is our Doris dress, which you can see is beautifully classic and elegant, very wearable and swishable, and really nice for this time of year. So we've got a side zip here, that's how you get in and out of it, and then you've got the tie belt that just helps cinch that in. So this also would be wearable with a Coco jacket if you wanted to have a bit more warmth. It also would be great with some of our other jackets. So we've got a wonderful ebook that's all about summer wardrobes. In fact, it's about summer dreaming, it's called, a capsule wardrobe for that. And in that there's 5 more patterns, one of which is the Sorrento jacket, which is a lovely denim jacket. So that's worth having a look at if you want to have a denim jacket to go with your Doris dress. Anyway guys, what do you think of the hat? I hope you found that video inspiring, and now you've got some ideas of patterns that will get you through the British summer in style.